Welcome back to Supercar, the channel where we give you the unvarnished truth about the world's most compelling vehicles. Before we dive into today's topic, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dive reports. Today we're talking about the Dacia Bigster 2025, a vehicle celebrated for its value, but we're here to expose the safety secrets the press releases won't tell you. The Bigster's unvarnished safety profile. The Dacia Bigster represents an ambitious new chapter for the Romanian brand, which has long been synonymous with affordability. Positioned as Dacia's grand entry into the highly competitive C-segment SUV market, the Bigster is a direct challenger to established titans like the Nissan Qashqai, Skoda Karoq, and Hyundai Tucson. With its generous dimensions, robust design, and an array of features previously unseen in a Dacia, it has been widely hailed as a masterpiece of value and a big and practical SUV. Its value proposition is so compelling that it was crowned the most anticipated car in the 2025 CarWow Car of the Year Awards. However, amidst the accolades and market disruption, a critical piece of information, one that could fundamentally change a buyer's decision, is its official 3-star safety rating from the independent Euro NCAP organization. This score stands in stark contrast to the 5-star ratings consistently achieved by its primary competitors. This report will meticulously deconstruct the reasons behind this rating, examining both the Bigster's passive crashworthiness and its suite of active safety technologies. The safety rating is not a simple oversight or a design flaw. It is a direct, quantifiable outcome of Dacia's core brand philosophy. The secrets we will reveal are a series of deliberate engineering and feature trade-offs made to achieve a price point that is, honestly, astonishingly low for its segment. Understanding these trade-offs is crucial for any potential buyer seeking to make a truly informed decision. The headlines praise its price, but the safety report tells a very different story. Don't let the hype distract you. Let's get to the numbers that really matter. The Dacia Bigster's 3-star rating is a composite score based on its performance in 4 distinct Euro NCAP test categories. The results reveal a vehicle with a mixed safety profile, where some areas are respectable for a budget SUV, but others fall significantly short of modern standards. The breakdown of the raw scores is as follows: adult occupant protection, 69%, child occupant protection, 85%, vulnerable road user protection, 60%, and finally, safety assist, 57%. A detailed analysis of these scores reveals the core of the Bigster's safety dilemma. While its adult and child occupant scores are adequate, its overall 3-star rating is primarily driven by the critically low 57% score in the safety assist category. This is the most significant secret of the Bigster's safety profile. The low rating signals that the car is not so much inherently dangerous in a head-on collision, but rather that it lacks the high-tech preventative systems that Euro NCAP now prioritizes for modern vehicles. This outcome highlights a critical distinction between legal compliance and engineering excellence. The Dacia Bigster is advertised as featuring standard equipment complying with the latest European GSR-2 safety standard. This is an accurate statement. It meets the minimum legal requirements necessary for sale in Europe. However, Euro NCAP operates as an independent, more rigorous assessment, setting a benchmark for best-in-class performance that goes far beyond the legal baseline. The Bigster's score demonstrates that Dacia has engineered the vehicle to satisfy the minimum legal thresholds without investing in the advanced features and structural enhancements that would earn a higher rating. The Bigster is legally compliant and functional, but it is not engineered for safety excellence. This is a fundamental narrative of compromise inherent to the vehicle's design. Passive safety. The crash test breakdown. You can't talk about safety without talking about the crunch, let's peel back the metal and see what really happens when the Bigster meets the barrier. In a collision, the Bigster demonstrates a combination of strengths and weaknesses. During frontal offset crash tests, the passenger compartment remained stable, and dummy readings showed good protection of the knees and femurs for both the driver and passenger. Additionally, an analysis of the impact revealed that the Bigster would be a benign impact partner in a frontal collision, meaning its design is less aggressive towards other lighter vehicles. However, the Bigster also exhibited a crucial vulnerability in these tests. The protection of the driver's chest was rated as weak in the frontal offset test, and marginal for both the driver and rear passenger in the full-width rigid barrier test. This indicates that while the cabin maintains its integrity, the occupants themselves may be subject to significant compression injuries. In side impact tests, the Bigster performed admirably, providing good protection of all critical body areas for adult occupants in both the side barrier and side pole tests. However, a significant flaw was its poor rating for far side protection. This is a direct consequence of the car's design, which lacks a central airbag to prevent head-to-head contact between the front occupants during a side collision. This is a feature commonly found in 5-star rated rivals like the Nissan Qashqai and Hyundai Tucson, which are specifically designed to mitigate such injuries. The final verdict, understanding the trade-offs. So with all the data on the table, is the Dacia Bigster a smart buy or a risky compromise? The answer is not as simple as it seems. The Dacia Bigster is an undeniably compelling vehicle. It is practical, spacious, and efficient, with a price point that makes it a disruptive force in its segment. Its no-frills, robust interior and generous boot space will appeal to a wide audience who prioritize utility and value over luxury and refinement. The secrets revealed in this report, from the weak chest protection to the lack of rear seat occupant detection and the easily deactivated ADAS, are not failures in engineering but the direct and inevitable consequence of Dacia's unwavering commitment to its low price point. The Dacia Bigster is, well, an honest car for an honest price. It's really a vehicle for the buyer who's willing to look past some hard plastics, a noisy cabin, and a lower-than-average safety rating in exchange for unmatched practicality and honestly astonishing value. The question isn't whether the car is good or bad, but whether a consumer is willing to accept these well-documented trade-offs. This report has given you, I think, the full, unvarnished picture. The Dacia Bigster's 3-star Euro NCAP rating is a crucial part of that picture, and it's a clear signal that this budget-friendly SUV just may not meet the highest safety standards when compared to its rivals. Your decision to buy should absolutely be a truly informed one. If you found this breakdown insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's car shopping. And yeah, let us know in the comments if these truths have changed your mind. Don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more unbiased automotive insights. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.